nag-share na kami, ano ba yung we're looking forward to the most
Guys, sama naman kayo dito. Ayan.
in 2026? So,
May grabe naman yung pagyakap.
simulan natin sa side mo. What are they looking forward to the most in 2026?
Alright, Apple, alam ko naman magaling ka mag-Tagalog, pero let's take it international. Okay, I'm gonna ask you in English. In very, Miss Universe style, okay? What are you most looking forward to in 2026?
I'm looking forward to more OPM music to reach
Yes!
worldwide. And also I got a project.
That's right.
I'm back to agriculture. And magtatanim ako ng 100 million coconuts with the farmers.
Okay, Casey!
Usap-usap po kami dito ni Josh. Looking forward po kami na kumita po this year. DJ?
Ang bilis Looking forward ako sa maraming pang kanta at sa concert namin ni KZ sa February. Looking Marami pang kanta mula sa lahat ng mga OPM artists and sana mawala na yung mga AI covers.
Alright, thank you, DJ! Okay, SB19 group project, so one spokesperson lang daw. Sino kasalita? What are you looking forward to the most in 2026?
Siyempre OPM for 2026, OPM World Tour!
Di gusto nyo ba makita yung world tour na yun? Any follow-ups? Like parang may gusto kong follow-up.
Ako, world peace lang gusto ko naman.
I think everyone's nag-wish sila ng good for everyone for next year. Pero I think self-love is more important for next year. Know your worth and be happy for next year.
Parang may pinanggagalingan yun. Saan ka? Pero I'm sure
Ang ganda nung know your worth.
Know your worth.
I love that.
I'm gonna take that to heart. Pero I'm sure ang daming mga babae dito gustong malaman, kamusta ang countdown nyo, ang New Year's nyo? Matamis ba? Warm
Malamig,
ba?
mainit?
Bukod sa mainit sa BGC, syempre mainit yung pagmamahal ng 18.
Alright, good answer, good answer!
Very safe.
Alright, guys, aside from our very special guests, we have so many more to call on stage with us. Nicole, why don't you lead them up?
Alright, please join me in welcoming, we've got Chief Operating Officer of Fort